Hello guys, welcome back to Cantonese 𝙬𝙖𝙧𝙼𝙪. Lots of students tell me how difficult for them to remember the Cantonese phrases. There are a lot, but do you know that some of them are loan words from English? Today we are going to learn those Cantonese phrases are actually English. If you would like to learn more fun Cantonese, you could book my lessons on italki, and here are some tips for you. Use my link to create an account on italki and purchase $20, and both of us could get 10 more credits on our italki accounts. You can also book my lessons on my social media, which I don't need to pay the fee to italki, and also it will be cheaper for you. Okay, now let's start it. About food, we have cheese, 芝士, chocolate, 朱古力 vanilla, cookie, like cookie bang, the cookies. Pie, 蘋果派 is my favorite. Pancake, 班戟 toast. 西多士 or 多士, 西 means west. Jelly, 啫喱 Tart, our famous Cantonese dessert. 蛋撻 蛋 egg. Sandwich, 三文治 About fruits, we have cherry, 車厘子 Strawberry, 士多啤梨 There is a song about strawberry, like 士多啤梨蘋果橙，什麼 A 襯 B 襯不可揀。Have you heard this before? You can listen their songs. 士多啤梨蘋果橙。Mango, 芒果 Lemon, 檸檬 Kiwi, 奇異果 Plum, 布冧 Salad, 沙律 and curry, 咖喱 And something at home, we have the guy's necktie, 呔 領呔 And then jeans, 牛仔褲 牛仔 it means cowboy, literal means like the cowboy pants. They have another one is the same like tie, is 車胎 tire. Sofa, Card is 卡 信用卡 credit card. 賀卡 or 卡 賀卡 Charge, 叉電 電話要叉電 The phone need to be charged. Lift, elevator, lip Spare, 士啤 For example, the spare tie, 士啤呔 Spare key, 士啤匙 Horse, 喉 水喉 Spanner, 士巴拿 Cartoon, 卡通片你鍾意睇咩卡通片㗎？我細個鍾意睇哆啦 A 夢同埋老夫子。And about something on the street. Parking, 泊車 Park. Store, 士多店 is about those convenience store, 士多店. And there is more transportation. We have bus, 巴士 taxi, 的士 motorbike, 摩托車 moto. About our hobbies, we have ball for play basketball, 打波 play football, 踢波 the ball that we could dance, 去波 guitar, 吉他 guitar, the guitar player, guitar 手 guitar 手 mic, 咪 咪 sauna, 焗桑拿 焗桑拿 bungee jumping, that one is very cute. 笨豬跳 笨豬跳 literally means like the stupid pig jump. 笨豬跳 is so funny. Fare, 飛 飛 our movie ticket is 戲飛 戲飛. And if you would like to play video games, and if you want to level up, 升呢升呢 Le here is level. 升 it means like go up, level up. 升呢. If you have watched some kung fu movie or action movie, you must see that they have lots of wire work. So for the wire is 威亞 威亞. So lots of people tell me that Jackie Chan, he never 吊威亞 during his performance. I don't know. What do you think? So that is what we learned today. If you have remembered all of them, then you are more than a beginner right now. If you would like to learn more basic Cantonese, you could go to my italki page or also contact me on this social media to book me one-on-one lesson. Right now it's $18 for 1 hour and then $19 for italki students. I'm so sorry because I need to pay for the high bid on italki so that I have to hire a little bit there. If you want me to get more benefits, you could just contact me on my social media. If you think this video is help you, just give me a like and share, and also you could go to my Patreon page and buy me a bubble tea. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.